Good evening to you all. Myself, Dr. Himanshu Sharma. On the behalf of Team Physio Inculcator, I would like to welcome you all in our today's session. Today, we have a great resource person with us, and this is the first time we are going to host a hands-on session on the Physio Inculcator platform. So, it would be gonna highly imperative and a great learning session ahead today. So, I would like to welcome you all from the core of my heart. Today we have a great resource person, Dr. Minal Mahajan sir, with us to share their incredible knowledge among the participants. We are really grateful to the Dr. Minal Mahajan for sparing their precious time to share their knowledge with us. Dr. Minal Mahajan is today going to elaborate us and educate us about the aerobic exercises, how aerobic exercises can do wonders in certain medical conditions. Dr. Minal Mahajan is a specialized in neurology. He is a director of Neurophysiotherapy Fitness and Rehab Center, Indore. Dr. Minal Mahajan is also a physio of Indian Kayak and Canoeing team. He is also an ex-associated professor of Choitram Institute of Health Sciences for around more than 11 years. Dr. Minal Mahajan is also a Zumba, Labuka instructor and certified master trainer of Indian Fitness and Aerobic Academy. Dr. Minal Mahajan is also a certified hydrotherapist, NDT therapist, and CBT therapist. He is also a certified practitioner of osteopathy and chiropractic. So we are really grateful to Dr. Minal Mahajan and honored to have Dr. Minal Mahajan on the board with us to share their incredible knowledge and to host a hands-on session with us among this platform. So we are really grateful to you all, and I would like to express my heartfelt thanks. I'll welcome from the core of my heart to Dr. Minal Mahajan sir. Over to you, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. I'm audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Good evening to all. Today, my topic is how aerobic exercises do wonders in medical condition. So, I'm comfortable in English because, hello, everybody is listening me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
So, I'm comfortable in English. So, please. What is aerobics? Now, in aerobics, as a physio, you can do more things. In our practice, we are learning because nowadays physiotherapy has changed from last 10 years. And in that, there are new techniques comes in. Now, physiotherapy is not like a electrotherapy. कि आप मशीन पेशेंट आया आपने मशीन लगा दी पेशेंट ठीक हुआ या नहीं हुआ चला गया पर्टिकुलरली 7-8 दिन की सिटिंग्स ले ली आज की तारीख में फिजियोथेरेपी में भी नई नई टेक्निक्स जो आई है उसके थ्रू हम पेशेंट्स को बेटर रिजल्ट दे सकते हैं और जल्दी रिजल्ट दे सकते हैं उन्हीं थेरेपीज के अंदर सिर्फ मस्कुलोस्केलेटल न्यूरोलॉजिकल ऑर्थोपेडिक सिर्फ यही कंडीशंस नहीं है हम मेडिकल कंडीशंस को भी एज अ फिजियो ट्रीट कर सकते हैं इसी बेस पे मैंने एक प्रोग्राम तैयार किया है एज अ फिजियो जिसमें हम लोग डायबिटिक हाइपरटेंसिव एंड थायराइड पर्संस इन लोगों को एक्सरसाइजेस के थ्रू इनका जो लेवल है उसको कंट्रोल करते हैं या उनके मेडिकेशन की पावर को हम कम करते हैं सो आज के टॉपिक्स में जो मेन चीजें मैं इंक्लूड करूंगा वो एक जनरल आपको ब्रीफ आइडिया दूंगा एरोबिक्स के बारे में कि एरोबिक्स व्हाट इज एरोबिक्स व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ एरोबिक्स एंड मैं इसमें आप लोगों को बायोमैकेनिक्स एंड जनरल एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी नहीं बताऊंगा दो यू आर अ फिजियो सो यू बेटर know the anatomy and physiology of a human body and biomechanics of human body. So what is aerobics? Aerobics exercises is a physical exercises of low to high intensity that depends primarily on the aerobic energy generating process, means related to involving or requiring free oxygen and refers to use of oxygen to adequately meet energy demands during exercises via aerobic metabolism. Okay, एरोबिक एक्सरसाइजेज में जो भी आप लोग जनरली जो भी पेशेंट्स आपके पास आते हैं, आप लोगों को एक्सरसाइजेस करवाते हैं, दैट आल्सो कम्स अंडर एरोबिक एक्सरसाइजेस. लेकिन एरोबिक एक्सरसाइजेस में अगर हम किसी मेडिकली पर्सन को ट्रीट करें, जिसमें कोई आप एग्जांपल ले लो, एज ए डायबिटिक ले ले या हाइपरटेंसिव ले ले, तो उसको किस टाइप से आपको एक्सरसाइजेस करानी है, क्या उसका प्रोटोकॉल होना चाहिए, क्या उसका एज ग्रुप है, हम उसको कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे, कितनी इंटेंसिटी तक आपको उसको लेके जाना है, क्या क्या चीजें उसमें आपको ध्यान रखनी है, ये सारी चीजें हम आज इसमें देखेंगे. नाउ बेनिफिट्स ऑफ एरोबिक्स, यू नो, improve cardiovascular system, lower the blood pressure, helps regulate in blood sugar, reduce asthma, reduce chronic pain, it aids sleeps, regulates weight, strength, immune system. So cardiovascular system, diabetes, thyroid and hypertension, ये मैं आपको डिटेल आउट नहीं करूंगा बिकॉज यू आर अ फिजियो, तो यू better know than me कि what is the general medical conditions and etiology of all these things and pathogenesis of all these things. इसमें हम लोग जो बेसिकली आज इंक्लूड करेंगे वो मेन सेशन जो हम लोग लेंगे कि जब भी आपके पास आपका पेशेंट या क्लाइंट आता है तो आपको उसको कैसे एंटरटेन करना है, कैसे अटेंड करना है. ठीक है, अब इसमें आपके पास मेडिकली इसमें आप उसको बाइफरकेट कर सकते हैं. और सबसे मेन चीज, इन सब चीजों में ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि you have to be create a good aerobic studio for that, और आपके पास 2-3 हजार स्क्वायर फीट का कोई एक अच्छा सा स्पेस होना चाहिए और सारे इक्विपमेंट्स होना चाहिए तो आप उसको ट्रीट कर सकते हो. नहीं, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट और एक नॉर्मल ट्रेनर में वही डिफरेंस है जो हम आज इसमें पढ़ेंगे कि एज अ फिजियो आप आपकी स्किल्स को किस तरीके से यूज कर सकते हो जिसमें आप विदाउट एनी प्रॉप्स और एनी एक्सपेंसिव इक्विपमेंट्स आप किसी भी क्लाइंट को या पेशेंट को कैसे डील कर सकते हो. ओके, अब इसमें सबसे मेन चीज रहती है, जैसे ही आपके पास पेशेंट आता है तो आप उसको उसकी सिम्टम्स के अकॉर्डिंगली आप उसको डिवाइड करोगे. ओके, डायबिटिक है.
Minal sir.
हेलो.
Yes sir. Minal sir, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes sir. I had a humble request to you sir. We have a few participants from the South India and they have difficulty in understanding the Hindi. So please,
Sure. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir.
It's okay. So when the patient comes to us, we have to make a protocol like that, which type of exercises is benefited for your patient. You have to divide your patient according to the age, sex, and the medical condition. Okay. Now, you will start with some basic stretchings. As a physio, you better know stretchings rather than a normal fitness instructor. So, if your patient is doing properly stretching exercise, so it will prevent from the injury. So, in that, you have to do passive stretching, active stretching, and sometimes you have to go for myofascial release also to release if there is more tightness in that. And the second most thing is warm up. Warm up and cool down is the main thing in the exercises. When we are doing aerobic, Zumba, or any such type of dancing activities or high intensity amplitude exercises, that time you have to concentrate on warm up and cool down because it will prevent you from the further injuries. So your warm up should be minimum 5 to 10 minutes and your cool down is 3 to 10 minutes, followed by the stretchings. It will help your patient or your client to prevent from the further injuries. So now we will start with our session, which type of exercises and what exercises we will be select Himanshu? Himanshu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
just a second. Is it visible?
I think you kept your video off, sir. Your video is not there. Okay, but still you are sharing your screen, sir. Because in your screen I am visible there. Okay, I am sharing. I think now it is time to demonstrate. So yeah, now that's fine, sir. Absolutely fine.
That's right.
Yes, sir. Absolutely fine.
Okay. Now here, first I will show you the total protocol. Then I will explain you how to divide your patients or a client according to their symptoms. Just for 10 minutes, I am demonstrating you a simple session of aerobic exercises. Okay. So first of all, we will continue with stretching, that is active stretching. So first of all, you have to stretch your calf muscle. Now, this was the stretching, active stretching. I showed you some basic stretching. You have to do minimum 2 to 3 repetitions of all the stretching exercises. Now I'll show you some warm up. This type of warm up we will include in our aerobic session. So march at your place. So this was the warm up. You have to do warm up for minimum 7 to 10 minutes. Okay. Now I'll show you some basic aerobic steps which you can perform. Okay, now. So these are the some basic steps which you can introduce in your protocol. You have to select patterns and movements according to the condition of the patient, and I'm again telling that the main thing is age. If you have a geriatric person, then in that case, you have to do all the exercises in a equilibrium condition. Okay, you can use chairs with dumbbells. Okay, now for geriatrics with music. You have to do basic exercise like that, because in geriatric cases you have to start with once, not like a normal fit individual. You can, for geriatrics you have to start from zero, basic steps. Okay, that because in geriatrics there are so many problems: osteoporosis, knee pain, back pain. There are so many things, so you have to think about that pain and you have to make your treatment protocol for a geriatric person. Now I'll show you some gym ball exercises. Now gym ball workout, in that this is not for geriatrics. This is general exercises. You have to select according to the condition of the client or patient. Okay. Now in that simple spine extensions, you have to stabilize your feet. If you are sleeping, then you have to take support at your foot. Raise your hands in front of your chest and go up. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale. Inhale. You have to do at least minimum 10 reps, or you can do 5 reps, 2 sets. It also depends on the condition of your client and patient. Then the next one is upper back extension. In that, you have to suspend your body from chest on the gym ball. Place your both hands at your occiput and go up, down. Slowly. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Okay. In further lineup, we will do rhomboids also in this position. In that, you have to place your arms parallel to your chin, and while going up, exhale and crunch your shoulder blades. You have to crunch your shoulder blades. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. These are the basic exercise. In further progression, we will do plank on ball. In that, slowly you have to help your patient or client to go forward, 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 move forward. Then straight your knees, tuck your belly button inside and hold. You have to start with minimal counting. Hold for 10 counts, then progress to 20, 30, 40, more up to 60 counts. Okay. In that position, your hand and shoulder should be in same axis, and you have to tuck your belly button inside and balance. Neck should be neutral and hold. Then relax. Then the next thing is, it is quite difficult, but if you can, I'll show you. In that you have to do knee bending in this position. Same position, shoulder and hand should be the same axis, and you have to roll forward, go back, forward, go back, forward, go back, forward, go back. Okay. Then next thing, this you have to take weight on a single hand. Okay. This thing. Now, for lateral abductors, you have to bend your left knee, place ball on your left side, hand, put your weight on the gym ball, straight your right leg, and up and down movement. This one. One. Do it for minimum 10 counts, and if possible, hold at last for minimum 5 counts. Okay, do it from the other side also. Same thing, you have to bend your right knee to put your whole body weight on your right side, straight your left leg, up and down. Okay, in this, your hip joint and knee should be in the same axis. Okay, same 5 counts, then hold. Relax. Then simple. Put your both legs straight on board. Lie down on a mat. Put your both hands on opposite foot. And do crunches. This one. In that, you have to exhale up while coming up and inhale down while going down. Exhale from your mouth. Inhale from your nose. Exhale. Inhale. Okay. Now, the next one, in the same position, place your both hands on the floor and lift your pelvis up. आवाज नहीं आ रही इसमें शायद Hello, Himanshu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm audible.
Yes, sir. You are audible, but not so clear.
I'm audible or visible?
Yes, sir. You are audible. If it is possible to be a bit louder,
Okay,
then.
so band kar de. Put the music off. Now.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir. Audible.
Okay. Now in this position, place your both hands at mat. Lift your pelvis up, tuck in, and hold. Minimum hold according to the patient or client. Starting with 10 reps, 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do it for minimum 3 repetitions with 10 hold. Now, single leg bridging. In that, bend your right knee, same position, hands. Now lift your pelvis up. Again, hold for 10 counts. Simultaneous. Change your leg. Lift your pelvis up and down. Okay. Now, In this, you have to grip the ball, place your both hands at your back. Now lift the ball up, down, up, down. This is also 10 repetitions, or if you initialize the exercises, do it for 5 repetitions initially. Then slowly, you increase the repetitions according to the condition or stamina of your patient or client. Now, with ball, you can do also what squats. In this, you have to place ball at your back and take a support of a ball. Your both legs should be parallel to your shoulders, and you have to go down and up. Do it for 10 times. Okay? Now I'll show you some mat or core strengthening exercises which will help you in your chronic low back pain cases, or as well as for the weight loss purpose. In that, you know the simple crunches. Okay. Then oblique crunches. Put your right hand at your occiput, left on your tummy, right leg down, left on right, and go for obliques. Okay, do it minimum 20 repetitions, and if possible, hold for 10 counts. Then change the side, again go for 20 reps, hold for 10 counts. Now, this one is dead bug. In this is also coordination exercises, coordination as well as low middle part of your tummy. In this, your hand should be facing to ceiling, legs 90 degrees, and you have to alternate to this. Okay. You can do both legs also. Well, sorry. Unilateral part also, same leg and same hand. Now, we did bridging on the ball, so I will not show it here. For this is alternate soldier drill. This is for your lower tummy. Okay, lower abs. Alternate legs up and down, then sideways. Okay, then go to the sideline. In that, this is for your glutes, gluteus maximus, and for your iliopsoas and abs. In this, you have to turn left side, sideline position. Now, in this, the starting position, take your upper leg, right leg back, and you have to bend it. And when you come to the end range, you have to turn your leg. Okay, turn your leg. Then again, go back. Come, turn. Then back. Come, turn. Then back. And at last, minimum hold 10 counts. It is also depend on the endurance of the client or patient. Then we'll do in this position side plank. In side plank, your shoulder and your elbow should be the same axis. Take the initially you have to take support of your right hand and lift your body up. Full body weight is on your elbow and on your foot. And in progression, you will raise your hand or lift your hand up. This comes in progression. Okay. Then same at the other side. Down, back, come, turn, back, come, turn, back, and hold. In the all exercises, you have to concentrate on notice on your breathing pattern. Okay, because breathing pattern is most important part in aerobic exercises, or we can say Pilates. When you contract your or flex your head, you have to exhale. Inhale back, exhale, inhale back. Okay. In all the patterns, when you contract your muscles, you have to exhale out. And at the time of relaxing, you have to inhale. These are the basic things, but it is very important when we are doing exercises because oxygen is necessary. Now, in same shoulder, elbow, in the same axis, take weight on your foot, on your elbow. In progression, raise your hand. Okay. Now in prone, you know that single leg raise. Okay. Now in that you can do plank also. This plank, in this plank, the main thing is that the same thing, shoulder, elbow should be the same axis. Straight your legs, tuck your tummy in, or belly button inside, and neutral neck in a neutral position. Then further progression, plank on hands. In this, again, shoulder and hand should be the same axis. Tuck it and take weight. Okay. So these are the basic. So these are the basic aerobics in that plank and all these things. So these are the basic exercises. Up now, I showed you whole exercises. Now you have to divide the exercises according to your patient condition. If you have a diabetic patient and he came to you and tell me, I want to control my diabetes and all these things. So don't tell next time he do walk and regular exercises at home. Tell him to come to your center. You will make an exercise protocol for him and you can select the exercises according to the condition of the patient, endurance of the patient, and which severity of the disease. These are the main things. And the main thing is that injury prevention. As we are a physio, so we have to take care of injury prevention. In that, the patient should wear proper shoes. You have to check his or her shoes. In that, the heel counter is proper, or forefoot is flexible or soft, which type of shoe he is wearing. Prefer lace shoes because these shoes are comfortable for the exercises, and hydration is the main thing. Do hydrate your patients with glucose. And if he is diabetic, don't prescribe him glucose. tell him to take plenty of water before exercises, before half an hour of exercises, and after the session, take a rest for 15 to 20 minutes, then take water. In between the session, take sip of water, not more than 100 ml of water in between the exercises, because initially when we are doing exercises, it will soreness, there is soreness, body ache, and some patients have nausea, vomiting also. So take proper care of that, all these things. Himanshu? 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 Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello. Hello. Am I audible, sir? Oh, sir, you have muted yourself. One minute. One minute. Just a minute. Now, please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself, sir. You have muted yourself. Now it is fine.
I concluded my presentation here only, webinar here only. If you have any doubts, please ask me, because there are so many things in that which I cannot took in a 1 hour session. So
Yes, sir.
please, if you have any doubt or any queries, so please ask me.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for such a wonderful session. And we are really grateful to you for this great hands-on session with us. And we had a great learning here about the aerobics and even how aerobics can be used in all ages group and with the healthy people and with the patient population also. So we had also
One more
learned
thing
a lot of mud. Yes, sir. Please.
One more thing I want to add in your line.
Yes, sir.
I
Please.
started my clinic in just 200 square feet area,
Oh,
and I started aerobics and all these activities from that time. I'm telling since last 12 years. So if you don't have a big setup, please, we do not need any big setup for this. Start with a minimum area or a minimum clients, so you can give proper guidance to the patient. Okay, that is the main thing. क्यों नहीं तो किसी लोग सभी लोग ये सोचेंगे कि ये सेटअप एरोबिक एक्सरसाइजेस और ये सब, तो उसके लिए बड़ा सेटअप चाहिए, ये चाहिए, कुछ स्किल्स है, पैसा कमा सकते हो। फिजियो में इतना दम है जितना किसी प्रोफेशन में नहीं।
definitely, sir. Definitely. Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. It is well acclaimed in everywhere, in every area of the medicine, every area of the health and wellness. It is well acclaimed that physiotherapy works from birth to death, from all ages group and all type of condition. And we really appreciate your great efforts for today's session, because teaching something is maybe pretty easy, but demonstrating and performing along with the explaining the things, it is quite tough task. And you have done a great job, sir, today. So it really commendable job, and we really appreciate your comments, your compliments for the profession and your dedication to the physiotherapy. Definitely, sir, physiotherapy always works, and we learned a lot of the things, and we should be keep updating ourselves, as you are including many other things to the improvement of the wellness, improvement of the health of the patient. So we'll also try to imply some things, and we'll have more avenues while treating the genetic population also. So we are really grateful to you, sir. There is one query, sir. If you allow, can I narrate it for you?
Sure.
So I think Arun sir is there. Is asking that how we can teach the kids for aerobics, or can it be a group session or single session for the childs? Hello. Hello. Am I audible, sir?
So we can teach aerobics to all age groups from kids. So you have to make a batch.
Sir, you muted yourself. Please unmute yourself. Now fine.
Hello, now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not audible.
Yes, we can take aerobics for kids also because in exercises बच्चे लोग 3 साल की उम्र से डांस करना सीख जाते हैं, है ना। आज आप लोग देखते हैं डांस इंडिया डांस या जितने भी प्लेटफॉर्म्स है डांस कॉम्पिटिशन्स के, उसमें जो भी मिनिमम एज आती है दैट इज 3 इयर्स। जब 3 साल का बच्चा डांस कर सकता है तो वो एरोबिक्स क्यों नहीं कर सकता है? यस, द किड्स कैन ऑल्सो डू एरोबिक्स बट देयर आर स्पेशल प्रोग्राम्स फॉर दैट। ये जितनी भी मैंने चीजें दिखाई है, not more from these things. We have to select exercises according to the age group and the endurance of the kid. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
So
Yes.
maybe
Thank you,
it is a satisfactory answer or not.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for a great response. And we are receiving great compliments here in the chat box to for your session, and it was really a great session. I don't have any words to express gratitude toward your this uh, commitment, and I would say this such a great efforts for showing and for demonstrating the aerobics on the board on the live session. So it is really a great, wonderful learning session today, sir. And we are really grateful to you for this. And I would like to let you know for your information, sir. We are also blessed to have many senior faculty members over here with us. And we are really grateful to all of them for their continued support, love, and blessing. And we are also much blessed to have my own teachers, mentors, Dr. Harsh sir, Dr. Ritu ma'am, and Dr. Charu Sharma ma'am. So it is our immense pleasure, and we are even feeling much honored to have all of them with us. Along with them, we have some other senior faculty members who are joining us long away from the Saudi Arabia. Dr. Amita Anup Sharma is joining us from the Saudi Arabia. Dr. Charu Sharma, my own teacher, she is joining us long away from the Washington, USA. Dr. Priyanka Mangal is also joining us from the USA, and few other senior academicians who joined us in the session. Dr. Kalpana Jutsi ma'am and Dr. Jiten Munjal sir, they joins us directly from the Delhi. Dr. Kalpana Jutsi is the associate professor in the Jamia Ahmedabad University, and Dr. Jiten Munjal is senior physical therapist at North DMC Medical College. And many other senior physical therapists are here with us to join your such a great session. We are really feeling proud to have you with us, sir. Harsh sir, please, if you can have some kind words from your side. Yes, sir, please.
Nidal sir, good evening.
Sir, good evening,
Nidal
sir.
sir, good evening. This is Harsh Rajdeep. Thanks a lot for such a informative, great and hands-on dancing aerobics practical session. Thanks a lot. And
Thank you, sir, to give me this pleasure.
I know Dr. Midal since last more than 15 to 18 years, and I would like to share with all the attendees a hidden thing which Dr. Midal has not revealed to us. A very short time back, he was diagnosed with acute PIVD, prolapsed intervertebral disc or lumbar spine, and he went into a critical situation. For that, he was operated also. He had undergone massive and aggressive physiotherapy, and today see the result of his recovery. He's doing all sort of exercises, and he's demonstrating to all of us with this much zeal and enthusiasm, and he's training hundreds of people in Indore and online also. So hats off to Dr. Mrinal Mahajan for this stupendous recovery after the great surgery and enlightening all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for such a great words, and even though letting us know about the hidden facts, hidden talent of the Mrinal sir. So We are really more grateful to you, sir, for sparing your time. And we are having so
Thank
much
you.
queries. And I would request you, sir, can you please share your email ID? So if somebody has any query
Sure.
or any
It's
consultation regarding the aerobics and all, though you can guide them. If you can, please.
take snap of this guy. My email is Mrinal, M for monkey, R for rat,
Yes, sir. Menal.
I
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. Your voice is breaking, sir. I can't hear. Menal and then hello.
underscore PT, T for peacock, T for mail ID is Mrinal underscore